NASA stands for National Aeronautics and Space Administration. It is an American space agency that explores space, studies planets, and develops new technology for space missions. NASA was founded on July 29, 1958, and has sent many missions to the Moon, Mars, and other planets. It helps us understand space and makes discoveries about the universe. Mars and the Viking missions. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is called the Red Planet because of its reddish color. Scientists have always wanted to study Mars closely to learn about its surface, climate, and possible signs of life. Viking 1 and Viking 2 missions. NASA sent Viking 1 and Viking 2 to Mars to explore the planet. Viking 1 launched on August 20, 1975, and landed on Mars on July 20, 1976. Viking 2 launched on September 9, 1975, and landed on Mars on September 3, 1976. Each mission had two parts. 1. Orbiter stayed in space and took pictures of Mars. 2. Lander landed on Mars to study the surface, soil, and atmosphere. The Viking landers sent the first clear pictures of Mars and tested its soil for signs of life. They found no living organisms, but helped scientists understand the planet better. Lesson explanation and alien hand. This story is about a boy named Tilloo, who lives underground on an unknown planet with his family because the surface is dangerous. Tilloo's curiosity. Tilloo is a curious boy. He wants to see the surface, but his parents warn him that it is unsafe. One day, he secretly follows his father but is caught by security robots and sent back. His parents explain that the surface is too hot and has very little air for them to survive. A strange visitor. One day, a mysterious object from space is seen approaching their planet. It is a spacecraft sent by Earth. The leaders discuss whether to destroy it or let it land. In the end, they decide not to harm it because the spacecraft is only for research and does not pose any danger. Message of the story. This story teaches us curiosity and exploration like Tilloo. Humans always want to explore new places. Peaceful coexistence. Even though the aliens could destroy the spacecraft, they chose peace. Science and space exploration. Just like humans explore Mars, other beings might explore space too.
To the ancient Romans, the planet Mars was symbolic of blood and war. But to many people today, the red planet may hold the key for a bright new future. Mars began about 4.5 billion years ago when gas and dust swirled together to form the fourth planet from the Sun. Mars is the second smallest planet in the solar system, with a diameter just shy of the width of Africa. In fact, its entire surface area is similar to that of all of Earth's continents combined. Much like its terrestrial cousin, Mars is dense and has a rocky composition. At the center of the planet is a core made of iron, nickel, and sulfur, which may have created a protective magnetic field during Mars's earlier years. Enveloping the core is a rocky mantle made of silicate minerals and a crust rich in iron. These iron minerals react with the trace amounts of oxygen in Mars's atmosphere and rusts, giving the planet its signature reddish hue. While its blood-like appearance inspired the ancient Romans, today Mars is dry, desolate, and cold, with temperatures dropping as low as -225 degrees Fahrenheit. But billions of years ago, the planet was much warmer, more geologically active, and had a watery surface. Lake beds and river valleys snake along the face of Mars, indicating that liquid water was, for a time, present. Volcanoes, such as Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system at 3 times the height of Mount Everest, once erupted lava. But by about 50 million years ago, soon after Earth's dinosaurs died out, Mars's volcanoes also went extinct. Water on the red planet still exists today, but mostly in the form of polar ice caps. Because of factors such as the presence of water, some scientists believe life may have existed on the red planet and may exist again.